first we will learn what is a block styler. Block styler, it is a builder. It can be used to build your GUI. GUI means graphical user interface, right? It's help to the user to operate our custom applications. So I can click on here. This is our the some property dialog box here of that dialogs inside of that buttons you can see. So you can click on the basic here. This is a new group is coming called as a block catalog. So if you want to add the some multiples buttons, you can be added now like actions buttons. If you want to add the some list box, you can be add the list box here. So this is some list box. If doesn't require, just right click and cut it now. Okay. Similarly, you want to add the number also, you can be add the numbers here. Like I want to require some expression on here. So you can see here, do you want to require measurements or not? This is the functionalities available in the expression. But if you have to click on the basic and click on the string or some other here, so here there is no details on there. So if similarly you can be add the double also, there is no details. Can able to see here. So there is no other the such kind of the measurements or references there. So when I can double click here and the cut this is doesn't require. So now here there is a called as a layout. In the layout you can be organized or you can be create a group for the selection methodology. For example, we have to create one group, but I want to recon the outside. So just drag and drop here and just add here also. I can drag the expression to the here. So now here you can see there is a created two groups in the windows, right? Here called as a selection. So you can be select your object, select your face collector, you can collect your faces, you can select your faces body feature point, anything you can be create from the selected object. So first I need to add the face of object. You can see here this is a face of object. Now we can see after completing your some UI design here called as a main block properties is there, right? So I can click on the button. Okay, so first I need to move to the up here. So just I need to update a button only on this particularly video, right? So here this is called the real name, right? And here this is called as the display name. So I want to click the view. Can able to see here, this is the label, you can be updated now. This is a view. This is the balloon tooltips. What is the balloon tooltips? Balloon tooltips means when move to the mouse cursor to the button, so there is no message is pop up, right? I want to add some instruction to the user. What is the intent for that? For example, this is sorry, uh, click here, click here to open Windows DI, right? So just I'm adding a here details. So now I'm just moving mouse to the here. So what happens here is the data is added. So now currently it is only two settings we have shown in this video called as the first label, and this is the tooltips also. So do you want to add some bitmap also? So you can be added now. Similarly, do you want to require some group? So you can create a group or not, or you can be define it now. If you want to add it some title, so you can be add the title. This is our the title new. Okay, this is a new. So now here in the other option, do you want to require a navigation size to okay, close, or what you want to require? So you can be do the some operation. Okay, so okay or close or cancel. So now after done this all and whole settings with the response of your application, you can go to the code generation. In the code generation, it is the most important part called as a language. Here you can see here this is a Python. Just right click on here in the Python and just you need to select which language you want to export the code with the reference of this dialog box. So they have to create one reference file. So first I need to save this. So here this is a save. So I can be use a view 02 files, right? Now we can see this is called as a dlx file. So after done this thing, this is two files is created called as a .dlx and .py. Because of that, this is a setting is coming on here that's mentioned .py file, right? After done these things in the UI, how we can be in added our code into the program. So I can click to the finish here. Okay, go to the desktop. Here this is a two file I need to copy. Just I'm opening the Eclipse, right click here, paste these two files, right? This is the two files. You can be organized your the folder structure. Currently we are not organized. So right click here, go to the property. Just I need to copy this path, double click on here. So this is a dialog box. So I need to update it now. So we have to update our the location of DLX file. Now this is our the temporary. Okay. So when we move to the production, just we can be remove this thing just like this. Okay. After that I need to save this. Let me check it in the annex. So this file or this UI is access or not. I can click to the play, view and run. Now this is access perfectly. It is good. So after that I want to add the some functions or some code into the here. This is called the main update code on here, right? In this code, how can we add action on here? For example, I need to add a here. Can I able to say this is a button, right? I need to add a details or it can be click to the open the file action functions on here inside here. So what happens? We already created some functions like file actions. I need to copy here and the paste on here, right? So just I can click the tab or right click, you can shift to the right hand side. After done this thing, I can click to the yes. So what happened here? The OS is a some problem, right? Because if you can go to the imports namespaces, import OS is missing. After done this thing, now we can see our the code error has been resolved. So again, I can go to the annex applications and just I'm running the over the custom file. Now we can see here when you click to the view. So what happens? It's automatically open it now, right? Similarly, I want to record a preview also. So this is called as a preview window. So just I'm copy up to the here and update it now. So this is a file. Sorry, that is our mistake. One minute. I need to again copy and paste it. Yeah, this is a correct it now. So after that, I need to copy here using a tab function and it is aligned by properly. Okay. Sorry, that is my mistake. I think one space is added it now extra. Now this is done. Now here we can see this is extra. I'm deleted it now. And namespaces also. So I will import the three namespaces in here. Okay. I will save this. I will check it now. Sorry. Okay. I will save this. Play. Run. Preview. Can you able to see here? Need to save again. Play. So now we can see this is update.